Do you need to rest?
Yeah.
There he did it.
You don't make all those faces.
I think he's eating a pickle or something.
Yeah.
This is banana. Still got your claws on. Ready? Open wide. Good boy. Grandma's. Ready for more?
He's pretty entertaining.
There is. You can just sit and watch a baby all day.
Now you're happy, aren't you? You're a quick learner. How much do you want me to give him, Sam?
You ought to finish it.
He will?
No, you don't have to.
Okay. Grandpa, he just looks at you and smiles. You're not even looking at him.
No.
Are you
Just thinks
full?
I'm funny looking.
Well, more? More?
Oh, look at that.
Oh, there. I
Who's
see
that
some-
baby?
I don't know how to play it.
Who's that baby? Oh,
This is from the other night.
Doing the same thing.
uh-huh.
Is Grandma just feeding you all the time?
We're really overscanning here. Too dark.
You want a little more? Okay, open wide.
Just 'cause I'm looking at video or? Here's one. These are too far away and too dark.
Oh, there he did the shutter thing again.
I don't know how to play.
More?
I don't know how to
Isn't
play
it
the
fun to
movies.
be eating?
Pretty smart boy. He knows he has to open his mouth.